Imagine for a moment, a world where distance is no longer a barrier. Picture sending vital medical supplies from Germany to the heart of the Amazon rainforest in under an hour, faster than most people can commute across a city. This is the bold vision driving SpaceX. A global cargo network, powered by Starship, their fully reusable rocket designed to revolutionize how we move goods around the planet. Starship is engineered to launch, land, and relaunch rapidly, shrinking the world by using the vastness of space as a shortcut, connecting continents in ways never before possible. Unlike traditional rockets, which are discarded after a single use, Starship can be reused multiple times a day, making spaceflight not just affordable, but practical for everyday global delivery. A Starship launches vertically, separates from its booster, coasts through the edge of space, and lands with precision anywhere on Earth, bypassing oceans, mountains, and borders with ease. This technology could transform disaster relief, delivering life-saving aid and resources before traditional efforts even have a chance to mobilize, reaching those in need faster than ever. For global commerce, it means a supply chain that moves at the speed of thought, enabling businesses to respond instantly to demand and opportunity, no matter where they are in the world. The journey to make this vision a reality is already underway right now in South Texas, where engineers and dreamers are building the future, one launch at a time. The dream is simple yet profound, a future where the fastest route between any 2 points on Earth is a graceful arc through space, connecting humanity like never before. To realize this ambitious vision, SpaceX is building a fleet at Starbase, a rocket factory unlike any other on Earth. This sprawling facility in Texas is not just a launch site, but a hub of constant innovation and activity, where the future of space travel is being shaped every day. Here, stainless steel giants are assembled in an industrial-scale operation, with multiple Starships and super-heavy boosters in production at once. The sheer scale and speed of manufacturing is unprecedented, with teams working around the clock to push the boundaries of what's possible. The assembly line approach means each new vehicle is improved by lessons from the last, accelerating progress. This rapid iteration allows SpaceX to test, learn, and adapt faster than ever before, making every rocket smarter and more reliable. Engineers refine everything from Raptor engines to heat shields, implementing upgrades in real time. Every component is scrutinized and enhanced, ensuring that each launch is safer and more efficient than the last. The factory also refurbishes returning boosters, creating a cycle of launch, land, and relaunch. This closed-loop system is key to making spaceflight more sustainable and affordable for the future. This relentless pace is turning experimental prototypes into a reliable fleet. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming routine, as new designs are tested and perfected at breakneck speed. Starbase is the foundation for a global cargo network, where rockets are built, launched, and relaunched like airliners. The dream of rapid, reusable space travel is taking shape right here, setting the stage for a new era of exploration. The future of transport is rising from the Texas coast, where innovation meets determination, and the next generation of spaceflight is born. Progress comes through trial and error. Each setback is a lesson, and every breakthrough is built on the foundation of past attempts. Each Starship test flight is a leap forward, even when things go wrong. Failures are not the end, but stepping stones towards success. Every launch, whether it ends in triumph or setback, yields data that drives rapid improvement and innovation. The 7th test flight in January 2025 soared to 90 miles above Earth, successfully testing cargo deployment systems in the harsh environment of space, and, despite being lost during re-entry, provided invaluable data on how the vehicle behaves under extreme conditions. Failures trigger deep analysis and rapid upgrades, not years of delay. Each issue is met with determination to improve. The FAA ensures safety at every step, but SpaceX's fast iteration means each flight is safer and more advanced than the last. Even ground tests that reveal problems are crucial. They strengthen the design before flight, preventing costly mistakes in the air. This relentless cycle of testing, learning, and refining is how Starship is becoming robust, reliable, and ready for the future. Relentless iteration is forging a vehicle ready for routine, global service, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in spaceflight. Starship's reusability is a game-changer, Both the booster and ship are designed to fly again and again. Soon, Booster 14 will become the first Super Heavy to fly twice, proving rapid turnaround is possible. This breakthrough slashes launch costs and enables a massive fleet. Starship's first major customer is Starlink, SpaceX's global internet constellation. With over 8,400 satellites already in orbit, Starship is needed to launch the next, larger generation. These new satellites will connect even remote areas, and can only be launched efficiently by Starship. Starship and Starlink drive each other forward, heavy-lift launches enable global internet, and Starlink's demand funds Starship's growth. Together, they're building the backbone of a connected planet. The path to a global space cargo network is filled with technical and regulatory challenges. Failures, FAA reviews, and concerns about space debris and astronomy all demand solutions, but the rewards are immense. A world where distance is trivial, and aid, goods, and knowledge move at unprecedented speed. Industries and science will be transformed, and humanity will be more connected and resilient. As of October 2025, progress is undeniable. Each test, each weld, brings us closer. Starship's vision isn't just about speed, it's about unlocking human potential on a planetary scale. Space will become the medium for global transport, reshaping our world. The sky is no longer the limit, it's the way forward.